So, what is this video about? Diplomatic Nails reached out to me and asked me if I could do a marbling stamping tutorial in their Facebook group, and I gladly said yes. So they sent me this Chic Peak Bundle Monster BM-XL476 plate, and it comes with so many different designs on marbling, and I'm just going to be showing a couple of these designs in their Facebook group. So I did a water marble and a regular marble right here. This one's layered, and this one is not. And it's just super cool to see what you can do on different backgrounds. And you can totally do this over dip powder. That's the best part. You can do so much over dip powder. Okay, so don't mind me. I'm gonna go do that video for their Facebook group, and I'll be back to put the footage here. Okay, bye. Is this working? I hope I don't talk to myself for like 10 minutes because I know the group is on post-approval, so. Okay, somebody's here, yes, okay. So I have two different colors that I'm gonna marble over today, and one of them is the color Milk, and it's this very sheery white. It's very cute. This other color is called Coloquial Glow. I cannot say colloquial to save my life, but it's Coloquial Glow. It's their like teal turquoise glow color. It's really cute. And these colors are kind of made for each other too. Like, they're cute. Anyways, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do a layered marble on one of them and to do a water marble on the other one. All right. So look at this plate. If you can't see it, it's called Chic Peak BM-XL476 by Bundle Monster / Maniology, whoever you choose to call them. I still call them Bundle Monster. And this plate is so awesome because it has a water marble design. It has several of them. So aren't those so freaking cute? And this one looks like a mix of water and just regular marbling. And then look at all those different marbling design options that you have to do on your fingernails. So let's get started with the actual tutorial. Make sure that your nail bed has the polish or dip powder that you want and that it is already top coated, and you're going to stamp over the dry top coat. Next, you want to make sure that your supplies are all right in front of you, from your stamping plate, your clear jelly stamper, your polishes, scraper card, paper towels, acetone. You want to make sure everything is within reach and easy to grab. Oh, and do not forget a lint roller. Alright, first things first, pick your first layer of polish and apply it to about half of the plate. Grab your scraper card and lightly scrape the polish. Grab your clear jelly stamper and roll it onto the plate. Ta-da! Flip your clear jelly stamper over and align it to wherever you want the design to be on your nail, and press and roll it onto the nail. Look at your design, see if you like the coverage, which for me it was absolutely perfect. Look at that. It's so beautiful. You can choose to top coat here or continue layering with a different color polish. This is why you need the lint roller, by the way, is to clean off the clear jelly stamper. You can use tape, but a lint roller is just so easy and accessible. Alright, we're going in for layer number 2, and we're picking a darker polish. So you're going to take the polish and apply it to half the plate. Grab your scraper card and very lightly just scrape the polish down through the entire design. Then take your clear jelly stamper and roll it onto the plate so it's able to pick up the design. Then you're going to adjust your nail and put the jelly stamper strategically over the design so that it's offset and not completely covering the white polish that you just placed on the design. roll and go. So the final step to your design is to add a top coat. You want to protect the beautiful design. I totally recommend the smudge-free top coat by Maniology. It does not smudge. Okay, it is time for design number 2, water marbling. I'm using this color by Diplomatic Nails. It's called Milk, a beautiful white. And then I'm going to be using this design, which reminds me of a very true marble design. Alright, so I'm going in with the same green color that I went in with before, the color Tree of Life by Maniology. It is absolutely beautiful over this white milky color. So coat half of your stamping design with the stamping polish. Grab your scraper card and lightly scrape it all through the design. Grab your jelly stamper and absolutely make sure it's cleaned off before you start your stamping process. This'll do. And roll it on the design to pick up the new design. If you're satisfied with what you picked up, grab your swatch stick or align the clear jelly stamper over your nail bed. Look at it through the clear jelly stamper and press and roll. I absolutely love it. This does not need another color. I'm serious. Look how beautiful that water marble is all by itself in just one color. Just like we did on the previous design, we're going to protect this beauty with the smudge-free top coat. Just apply it really quickly and let it dry, and then adore your beautiful nails. Alright, so here is the final and finished product with the water marble design on the bottom and the regular marble on the top with 2 colors. But before we go, I want to show you guys what the Coloquial Glow marble design looks like when it is actually glowing. It is absolutely stunning. Look at that. Just imagine all the glow stamping combos that you can pull off with something like this. I can imagine and picture a beach, palm trees, the moon, you name it, it could probably happen. So while we're talking about stamping, I would love it if you could suggest in the comment box below any other stamping tutorials that you'd like me to try. Like for example, reverse stamping is one of my favorite things to do, and I would absolutely love to do a tutorial if you guys are interested. Alright, so that's it for now. So if you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That lets me know that you liked it and you want to see more of it. And then if you do want to see more of it, make sure to hit the subscribe button and check out the description box below for all the details about this video.